Thousands of residents come through Cook County's domestic violence court each year seeking protection from abusers. A Portage Park woman was killed and her husband died from apparent suicide after documented abuse in the courts. In October, Judge Thomas Nowinski allowed Constantine Beldy to be released on electronic monitoring despite a request by prosecutors that he remain in prison. On Tuesday, Lecromora Beldy was stabbed to death.
I think there is a need to evaluate how we find ourselves here again.
I don't even trust him with a parking ticket, nor should anybody else at this point. And I think the honorable thing for Judge Thomas Nowinski to do here is to do the right thing and to resign.
Illinois' comptroller has no control over judicial appointment, but today she is speaking out after reviewing the court documents herself.
She no longer has a voice because she's dead, but I'm going to use mine to speak up for her and every other woman who is scared to leave their abuser because they believe this could happen to them.
Margaret Duvall is the executive director of Ascend Justice, part of The Network, which advocates for domestic violence survivors.
I think anyone who has worked in the legal system can relate to a situation in which they feel like the court is not getting it right.
Duvall tells us there's a new statewide pilot program that will review fatal domestic violence cases to see what went wrong and what could be done to improve the system. She says in most of those cases, there are several factors that led to the tragic consequences. As for Judge Nowinski, we were referred to the Chief Judge's office. We have not gotten comment back.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.